After you've added your domain to the WP Engine user portal and set it as the primary domain, the next step is to configure your DNS records so you can connect your domain to your website. DNS records are simply a set of instructions that connect your domain name to where your website is hosted, so when someone types in your domain, their browser knows exactly where to go to load it. In short, DNS records are what make your domain and website work together. There are a couple different ways to set up DNS records so your domain connects to your WP Engine-powered website. The easiest option is to use the Entry Connect tool. It works with many popular DNS providers and can set everything up automatically in just a few clicks. If your DNS provider isn't supported by Entry, don't worry, you can connect your domain manually. WP Engine gives you two options for this. You can use a CNAME record or you can use A records. You only need to use one of these options, and the right choice depends on what your DNS provider supports. Either way, the end result is the same. Your domain will point to your WP Engine website, so visitors always land in the right place. For step-by-step instructions, our Support Center guide, located at wpengine.com/support/point-domain, has everything you need, including short videos to walk you through the whole process. Remember, if you get stuck or have any questions, our support team is always here to help.